Yeah, welcome back, welcome back. I think it's look a little bit dark, but I hope that it will be, hope that it's my eyes that are a little bit long. So I want us to confirm whether our thermos could be washed. These dishwashers tablet or powder could help us to clean our thermos too. And that is where we are. And here I have my 3 thermos. And I think we should start with the big one. The water is already, you can see the color of the water. Do you see? The water is, you can think that I have tea or coffee in my machine. And the water is still hot. I'm telling you, my thermos is totally cleaned. And I forget the read of this thermos. And I'm a little bit careful not to burn myself. You can see the water. Do you see what is coming out? Look here. Look here. Do you see how the water look like? Did you see what come out? Did you see? Did you see what come out? I hope that one you did not miss. I'm telling you, my thermos is purely white as the way I got it. I hope that you can see the difference, my friend. I hope that you can see the difference. From brown, I hope, let me try to show you what is inside. From black to that one. You can imagine. That is how miraculous it have worked it out. Let us take the sacred thermos. And this one, it has a reed. We shake it and then we open it. See what is coming out. Did you see? Did you see what is coming out? The particles. And I'm telling you, the sacred thermos is as pure as it is. You can see the particles that were there. Some have even fastened in that thing. I just leave the thermos. And you can see the thermos is totally clean.